I'm back. The vlog is back. It's been a week, but the vlog is back. It's exciting. Okay, charging up my boosted board. Tonight, my friend Jonathan and I are going to the Crossroads for First Fridays. It's kind of like an art, food thing going on. So, anyways, should be pretty cool. And we made it! I'm with Jonathan again. Say hi, John.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh no, do we have? No, this is new.
What's new? Oh yeah!
Ta-da!
Double boosted board. So we're taking both boosted boards out and about in Crossroads tonight. I was thinking about it. We'll probably spend more time skating than going in places. Ready? All right. My board's making a weird noise today, but we're just gonna roll with it. Tonight is Jonathan's. This is our first double boosted board adventure. So. This is our first stop?
Yep.
Cool beans. They have snacks, dude.
Snacks.
But everyone over there looks like they know each other. Alright, we just finished up at a first stop, which was an art gallery with a bunch of cool prints. Got to see a cool demo, which was awesome. What's at the next stop again? John, they have a popcorn machine. Okay, we just checked out another gallery show. I think we're gonna hit up one more and then call it a night, maybe? I don't know. I need to find some snacks. Man, this is where the people are at. What's up? Okay, Jonathan and I just packed up the skateboards. We're heading to West Bottoms. Jonathan pretty much parked in the street, so now he's parking in a parking lot like a good boy. My wheels are dirty, dude. Alright, I'm running low on battery. You ready to call it? Boosting on the gravel. All right, let's pack it up and do some grown-up art looking at. I think there's a better way to say that, but yeah. Okay, so just got back to my apartment. Jonathan and I had a blast hanging out at all those cool galleries and such. Actually, I got here a while ago, but Jonathan and I have been talking about our project we're working on together and a whole bunch of other stuff and photography and sneakers and watches and a whole bunch of awesome topics. But I think that I'm super tired, so I'm going to go to sleep and I'll see you tomorrow because the vlog is going to keep going for a while. I don't know if I'll do every day going forward, but I'm definitely going to shoot this whole weekend and probably some next week as well. Just, there's a lot of stuff going on. I've got some video projects I'm doing with my friend Stefan that will be super fun. Some stuff I'm doing with my friend Jordan. Hopefully doing some fashion stuff soon. There's lots of stuff on the horizon, so I think I'm going to try and keep vlogging and doing cool stuff when I can. So anyways, all that said, I'll see you guys next time, tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Man, I really suck at ending these things.